What if I told you that billions of dollars are flowing into the Philippines, and they could reshape the country's economy for years to come? Imagine a future where modern highways connect major cities, world-class airports welcome millions of travelers, high-tech factories create thousands of new jobs, and renewable energy powers industries across the nation. This isn't just an ambitious vision. It's a future that many believe is becoming reality as investors from around the world turn their attention to the Philippines. From massive infrastructure projects to semiconductor manufacturing, renewable energy developments, real estate expansion, and tourism, billions of dollars are being invested in sectors that could transform the country's economic landscape. But where exactly is all this money going? And what could it mean for ordinary Filipinos? Let's reveal the story. The Philippines has become one of Southeast Asia's fastest-growing economies, supported by a young and talented workforce, a rapidly expanding middle class, and a strategic location that connects major markets across Asia. Over the past several years, the government has introduced reforms aimed at improving infrastructure, encouraging private investment, and making the country more attractive to international businesses. As global companies continue looking for new opportunities beyond traditional manufacturing hubs, the Philippines is emerging as a competitive destination for investment. Although challenges remain, confidence in the country's long-term economic potential continues to grow. One of the biggest areas attracting investment is infrastructure. Across the country, new expressways, railways, bridges, airports, and seaports are being developed to improve transportation and strengthen economic activity. For many years, traffic congestion and limited transportation networks have slowed productivity and increased business costs. Modern infrastructure projects aim to change that by reducing travel times, lowering transportation expenses, improving the movement of goods, and making travel easier for both businesses and tourists. These projects also create thousands of jobs during construction, benefiting engineers, architects, construction workers, suppliers, and many local businesses. Once completed, improved transportation networks can help increase productivity and support long-term economic growth. Technology and semiconductor manufacturing have also become major investment priorities. The Philippines already plays an important role in the global electronics industry, producing components that are used in countless electronic devices around the world. As global supply chains continue to diversify, many companies are expanding their operations in Southeast Asia, creating new opportunities for the Philippines. Semiconductor manufacturing is especially important because these tiny computer chips power smartphones, computers, vehicles, medical equipment, and many other technologies that people use every day. Growing investment in advanced manufacturing facilities could create thousands of highly skilled jobs for engineers, technicians, researchers, and manufacturing specialists. Beyond employment, these investments also encourage technology transfer, workforce development, and innovation, helping strengthen the country's position in the global technology industry. Another rapidly growing investment sector is renewable energy. As electricity demand continues to increase, the Philippines is investing heavily in cleaner and more sustainable sources of power. Large-scale solar farms, wind energy projects, hydroelectric facilities, and geothermal power plants are expanding across different regions of the country. These investments help improve energy security by reducing dependence on imported fossil fuels while supporting environmental sustainability. Reliable electricity is essential for attracting manufacturers, technology companies, and other industries that require stable power supplies. As renewable energy capacity continues to grow, it will help support future economic development while contributing to cleaner energy production. Real estate development is another important driver of investment. New residential communities, Office buildings, shopping centers, industrial parks, hotels, and mixed-use developments continue to reshape cities across the Philippines. As urban populations grow and incomes increase, demand for modern housing and commercial space continues to rise. Business districts are expanding to accommodate new companies, while industrial zones provide locations for manufacturers and logistics businesses. These developments create employment opportunities across construction, engineering, architecture, property management, retail, and many other sectors. Modern real estate projects also improve the quality of life by providing better housing, commercial facilities, and public spaces for growing communities. Tourism remains one of the country's strongest economic sectors and continues to attract substantial investment. The Philippines is internationally recognized for its beautiful beaches, crystal-clear waters, tropical islands, mountain landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. To support future tourism growth, investments are improving airports, transportation networks, hotels, resorts, and visitor facilities throughout the country. Better infrastructure allows travelers to reach more destinations comfortably while creating new opportunities for local businesses. Restaurants, transportation providers, tour operators, retail stores, and small entrepreneurs all benefit from increased tourism activity, generating income and employment across many communities. Despite these exciting opportunities, several challenges remain. Investors carefully evaluate factors such as infrastructure readiness, government regulations, energy costs, workforce skills, political stability, and overall economic conditions before making long-term investment decisions. Competition is also increasing as neighboring countries work to attract international companies with their own incentives and development programs. Global economic uncertainty can influence investment plans, making consistent government policies and efficient project implementation more important than ever. Addressing these challenges successfully will play a significant role in determining the country's future economic competitiveness. Even with these obstacles, many analysts remain optimistic about the Philippines' long-term prospects. Continued investment in infrastructure, technology, renewable energy, real estate, and tourism has the potential to create hundreds of thousands of jobs, improve transportation, strengthen industries, increase exports, and raise living standards for millions of Filipinos. Combined with a young workforce, growing domestic market, and strategic location, these investments could help position the Philippines as one of Southeast Asia's leading economies in the years ahead. So, what do you think? Could these massive investments transform the Philippines into one of Asia's next economic success stories? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next episode. This is The Revealer. Thanks for watching.